Hey, ladies and gentlemen, what do you see here is a modification, and I am going to do my best. I don't have an X-Acto knife, and I am going to just sharpen my blade. I am going to cut my box. If I do it just right, I got my box open. Now what I need to do is slide this in. Close this up. And I need to figure out where this is going to get cut. I know how to make my handle. I can put a little slit here and here, get the handle that I have like so. But then the problem is I won't be able to open up the box. So what I can do is put a little slit here, a little slit here, a little glue, and put Velcro. But right now I'm just going to put string on this. So right here, I just simply find which is my bottom, which this will be. I place in my controller. I take my boat, and I don't like to, use the nose. I take the nose off. Always endless possibilities. You could cut all this out, and you got yourself a nice little drawer that you could put your charger in and so forth. Before I start to ruin things, I will think things out a little further so I could put in my power bank. So here I am. I'll put some tape on temporarily. My box can get open. I secured with tape on the inside, and I secured tape all over the box except for this part here. And once you get all that tape on it, you can do whatever you want with your box. Now you can make a handle you want. It's all up to you. Like I said, maybe I'll put a string and have a handle, take that string off, which I think will make more sense. And that is how you make a box. Something that Horizon Hobby Zone does, that has a box that you could simply just put your stuff in and store away. A great way to travel and go out there and enjoy your hobby. I hope you learned something from how to make a very simple box by just cutting it all along. And there you go. Enjoy your box.